Hey guys, this is my second video of the unboxing of my wireless keyboard from Apple, which I promised to you guys in the other video. So if you watched that, if you haven't watched that, you can go watch it right now. You can come back to this later. And yeah, I'm gonna get more serious into doing this video since I've been doing it at irregular intervals. I'll probably do this every week. I know I said that a lot, but I haven't been really true to my word. So yeah, here it is, the wireless keyboard. Oops. Yeah, this is this is what it looks like. Really thin, just a power button here, I think. Yeah, power button, and then really thin keyboard. The side is just an Apple logo. The back is the other side. This is where you put a coin in and turn it, and then the battery compartment opens. The Apple logo, and wireless keyboard. Wireless keyboard. And the bottom is just some specs, and says you need Bluetooth. So yeah, so first alright, there you go. First you open it. There's these two little things here, and then you open it, and here you go. The keyboard is in the plastic wrapping, and they give you three Energizer batteries, and there's also a manual for you guys to look at. Me, you don't really need a manual. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory, and yeah. So move the box. Everything is stainless aluminum. Sorry, it's made of aluminum. So it's very sturdy and very light. Now I need my quarter, and then on the side here, on the left side, all you do is turn it counterclockwise, and it should pop out. This little bolt looking thing with a plastic protection on top. And under here, I know you can't see it, but right there, it tells you which way to put the battery. So the positive side goes in. So I put the batteries in, and I put this little cap thing back on. You can twist it using the coin, or you can just twist it using your thumb. Same way. Now, so that's it. That's the full unboxing of the wireless keyboard. Here's a view. So here's front view, side view, the power button here, the back view. With I don't know why, I think this is the Bluetooth array, since any wireless signal does not travel through. It doesn't travel through metal. So here's probably the Bluetooth array. And here's the side, and the back. Just an Apple logo, some two little rubber feet, and some SEC regulations. So yeah, pretty good keyboard. I'll do a review on the keyboard and the mouse later on. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.